Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step into your next in the cramp where you can groove. Like you playing the blues. Go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
Alright, check it, it's time to get it gone. Find me with a dime, I'm trying to get it on. Find the right beat and watch me set it off. Watch me get it poppin' till the party's over. When the doors close, find me in the parking lot. Getting faded like a barbershop. Trunk banging, let the body rock. Won't quit till the beat stopped, like a heart attack. But keep it going, cause I'ma keep it flowing. And maybe later on we can go get a bottle Patron, baby. Go home later together and go crazy. Ain't no imitation with me, I'm homegrown, baby. I'm in the zone daily, so hold on, lady. You may be slim, but I'm hoping that you ain't shitty. I may have beef, but lately it's all gravy, baby. Put your back in action till you break it and bounce.
Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step into your next in the cramp where you can groove. Like you playing the blues, go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
Now see, most of the time I just chill, but this beat got me feeling like $1 million bill. I just can't sit still, make me wanna get up and get buck. Try to do it without spilling what's in my cup, but it's never nothing. I can just cop me another one and keep rocking long as the club is popping like bubble gum, and it is. So I'ma do it real big and holla at lil' mama. I'm digging the way she gives. Oh wait, I can see the beat got her in a trance. So soon as I see a chance to advance, I'ma tell her we should bounce. Take the party back to the house, but not until the club shut down. For now, I wanna see you move like you don't know what to do with yourself, girl. Let your hair down, loosen up your belt, girl. Do your damn thing, it's your world. Work it like a pro, girl. You ain't your home girls, just bounce.
Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step into your next in the cramp where you can groove. Like you playing the blues, go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
You know where I'm at, I'm in the back where the max all be. Hennessy came with us, so the yak's all free. Saw cook the track, so the slaps on heat. And that big cloud of smoke, that's all me. Forensic in the building, the one and only. Got the club on thump, like Bambi's homie. It's some bad ones to scoop, but first I wanna see them all get loose, like Lil Mama. I only got tonight, deadline's crazy. I guess that's the life when you headline, baby. Just show me what you got, go bad and let me see a preview of you directing me. I got a couple things to do before I pass out. One, seeing you, put your back out. Then it's last call, that's when I cash out. Kill my liquor, pick a winner, get some dinner, then I'm finna bounce.
Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step into your next in the cramp where you can groove. Like you playing the blues, go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to. Bounce. Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step into your next in the cramp where you can groove. Like you playing the blues, go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you.